everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you what I got inside of my BoxyCharm box for September. I have not opened it. I never cheat. I like to share this with you guys. I know last month I was trying to figure out if you get BoxyCharm, if we all get the same products, and from what I was told down in the comment section was that it seemed like we got the same items, except for sometimes one item may be different. So if you get BoxyCharm, if you got your box, let me know down in the comment section if we got the same identical boxes, or if maybe you got one or two different items, or whatever the case may be. So also with this month, because this is not a sponsored video, I purchased my BoxyCharm box with my own coins, but they did send me a code or a link. So if you have not subscribe to BoxyCharm, which is a $21 monthly subscription box that is completely, to me, it's awesome. Like, if you don't get BoxyCharm and you love makeup or beauty products, you are missing out. So you need to go ahead and sign up. It's $21 a month. You will get more than $21 worth of items in your box. But what I was saying was they gave me a link for you to click down below. If you sign up this month, you will get, if you use my link, you will get a free item, something called the sauce or something like that. I can't remember what it was, but it was super cool. I was like, ooh. So if you use my link in this month for, you know, September, for you to purchase your box, you will get a free item in your box. If you don't and you signed up using my link, come back and let me know, because I will reach out to the company and be like, hey, you guys said you was gonna send some free stuff, where is it at? So if you do use the link down below, make sure you got your free product in your box, and then share the code as well, so your friends or whoever else is gonna join will get their free product as well. So anyways, let me go ahead and open my box. So the first thing that you will see is, you'll see this like styrofoam, and then you'll have like this pamphlet on top, and usually it will tell you what is inside of the box, which I never really look at, and the prices. But this month's theme is wildflower. That is super cute. Love the pictures of the ladies on the front like that, and wildflower. So I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. I won't look at the products, but I always let you guys know how much each product is after I'm done pulling them all out. So I'm just going to randomly pull something out, and the first thing I see is Laura Geller, New York Laura Geller, and it is a baked blush and brighten in Tropic Hues. This is super pretty. I do not have anything by Laura Geller, so so half of this piece right here is a mirror, and it looks like that. Really, really pretty. Let me swatch it. It is a beautiful, I don't know if that's showing up really good. It is a really, really pretty pink right there. But that is what it looks like. It's really marbled and just beautiful. And it's, like I said, it's called Tropic Hues, and it says blush and brighten. So that, I am super excited to try that out. So I'll let you know how much it costs after I'm done pulling everything out. So let's see. I'm reaching in here. Butter. It's by the company Butter. I really like their products. From what I know in the past, any product that I have from them, I really, really enjoyed. And this is called Glazing Illustrious Liner. So it looks like that. That is what it looks like. It's kind of short, but it's just for a liquid eyeliner. And yeah, and it says shake me up. That's all it says. It's a nice size small bottle, but oh, you hear that? Okay, I'll have to read what's going on with that after I'm done. Okay, so then the next thing I see are 3 brushes, and they have come in a pack like this, and these are by Alamar. Oh, that is so cool. My favorite, if you watched my favorites video, I showed what my favorites are at the moment, and my favorite eyeshadow palette is actually by Alamar. I am loving their palette that I have. If you missed that information, the video will be linked at the end of this video. But these are by Alamar, and there's 3 makeup brushes. I am super excited to try these. I don't have any brushes by them, so that's really, really fun. Okay, so I have to, ooh, I knew they was going to send a palette. I knew it. They always put a palette in there, and I'm super excited by that. But before I get to that, here is a product by Hank and Henry. And look at that. It looks like it's, the lipstick is at the end of it right there. On the inside, you can see it with this clear top. That is so cool. And it says, oh, and it has a little symbol. It looks like an owl's face or something at the end. And it says it is a matte liquid lipstick. Ooh, I love liquid lipsticks and I love matte. And it's called Petal Pusher. Oh, okay. So I thought the top was going to come off and I was going to have the lipstick up here. But duh, it said liquid. So this is what it looks like. So it comes out, and this is the actual product itself in the end down there. And you get the thing like this. It looks like that. And I like that. Ooh. I don't want to swatch that right now because I don't want it to get on everything. But the color is really, really pretty. Petal Pusher. Really, really pretty. I have never even heard of Hank and Henry, so I'm excited by that. Okay, so the last thing I see in here before I tell you guys the prices is, oh, Pretty Vulgar. The Glare of the Light. Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. And it's called Nightingale. Ooh, so this whole piece right here is a mirror. Beautiful. And let me fold that back. And this is what it looks like. Look at those colors. Definitely perfect for fall. On the back it says, embrace your beautiful contradictions. This is so... oh my goodness. Now you see what I mean? If you have not subscribed to this subscription box, for $21 you get all of that. So now let me jump into real quick and tell you what the prices were for these items. Okay, so for the eyeshadow palette, it says made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is to create your best looks. There's matte, shimmer, and satin shades, and it was retailed at $35. The Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta towels and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. Okay, so that retails for $28. And then the Alamar brushes, made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. They retail for $18. The Hank and Henry liquid lipstick, this one. Have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented. Ooh, I didn't even smell it. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that smells like a vanilla cupcake. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the frosting scented long wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly. While its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. This retails for $17. And then last but not least, the Butter London eyeliner, the liquid liner. It says a soft metallic long wear liquid liner in black. I never had a metallic black liner. But anyways, it retails for $19. So you see what I mean? So you're getting all of that for $21. I am super, super happy with my BoxyCharm box. I love the BoxyCharm box. And then, so like I said, also use the link down below for you to get a free gift if you're going to sign up. You won't be disappointed in this box. So that is it, you guys. Don't forget, leave me down in the comment section. Let me know, did we get identical boxes, or what did you get that was different? And that is it. I just wanted to come and share with you guys and open my box and show you everything. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you guys all for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.